and welcome to Dr. RS channel and another episode of Food as Medicine. I'm your host Soumya Arash, and in today's video we will talk about health benefits of ginger. We hear all the time about how ginger is good for our body, but today we will hear it from Dr. RS. Welcome, Dr. RS.
Thank you for having me.
So Dr. RS, can you tell us about medical benefits of ginger?
Imagine ginger is a vegetable. It's from the same family as turmeric and also like cardamom. But maybe some of the people know how good ginger can be for our body, and some may not know that. So today our goal is to tell you few actually tips which can help your body. So ginger actually has been used in Asia, India, Arab world for thousands of years. In China especially, they were using it for indigestion, for nausea and vomiting. So this is so helpful. And ginger actually will also prevent the cancer if we use it properly. It also is helpful for our blood sugar. If we are using properly, it can reduce our blood sugar. It can have insulin work faster. So our diabetes can be very well controlled with just little ginger. It also is very good for arthritis. And so it also helps our gut to fight the microbias over there. So that is really very important. So ginger is a simple vegetable, but it can be very helpful.
Very well. I heard it's effective for weight loss as well. Is it true?
That is the way it works is that it actually, again, when we are using ginger in a hot water, make a ginger tea, put some, either you can crush it and you can use that way and drink it. It stimulates our it actually helps the metabolic rate. It burns the fat. It also helps our gut, how the digestion can be faster and how digestion can be appropriate. So it's actually indirectly helping the digestion. That's how it is actually can be helpful in weight reduction. And along with that, when we are drinking water, that's also will help in reducing the our weight.
Very well. So my favorite topic, I'm pretty sure it's ours is favorite topic. I want to ask, does it have any effect on skin?
Absolutely. Skin is our very important, and we all want to look beautiful, we all want to look young, and we don't want any spots on our skin. So what it does is, it actually, if we are using this for acne, we can make a paste of ginger, put little turmeric, put little olive oil in it, and make a little paste and use this on our skin. It will take away our dead skin, and it also will tone the skin well, and it also reduces the wrinkles. If we are making a paste, it actually is also using, we use it as anti-inflammatory. So that also reduces the inflammation from our skin, so we can look beautiful and young. It also helps our hair. So it actually, if anyone who's losing hair, we can use that. We can drink some ginger tea. Ginger tea is a simple, you can have ginger root, crush it, put it in water, drink 2-3 times. You will see the hair will also, loss will be reduced. So that's how helpful it is.
Very well. Can we use fresh ginger or the dry ones?
The fresh ginger is always better. But dry one also we can use it. My mom actually would give me for back pain. Whenever I will have periods, so I'll have a back pain. So what my mom would do is, she will crush the dry ginger actually. She will really, use it in a very traditional way, crush it with a traditional crusher. She will use it, and she will put little honey in it, and she will make a kind of a powdered ginger with a little bit of honey or brown sugar. Sometimes she will use brown sugar, and she will give me for 5 days when I'm going through the pain, during my menstruation. And I tell you one thing, it was so helpful. And also, people will not believe that how good ginger is for our indigestion. It reduces the flatulence, it reduces the gas. It actually go and fight the bacteria which produces the gas. When we eat a lot of cauliflower, when we eat potatoes, when we eat the food like beans, pasta, our gut has some bacteria which produces gas, and so we'll have a lot of gas. If we use ginger, you will see the difference. You will not have a gas. So that's how it's helpful. Our day to day. Sometimes patient comes to me, they will say, "Oh, we are having a lot of gas." So I'll tell them, just use ginger. It's simple. What side effects ginger will have? It's a food.
It's our next question. Does it have any side effects to our body?
Yeah, like just as a food, sometimes people get food allergies. They will have allergy to peanut, allergy to this. So, mostly it's an allergic reaction if your body does not like that food. That's what it is actually. It's a food item. It's not going to be, major, but sometimes body doesn't even like that food. So one has to be very careful if they started taking this ginger and they start seeing some different thing in their body. So that time they have to go and seek the doctor or stop taking the ginger right away. So I tell people, you are your doctor because you are seeing your body every day. If I see you, I'll see you maybe every 3 months or a year, but you are your doctor. So you should know what difference your body is having with any new thing you start. So you have to be very careful. Though it's a simple food, but maybe your body would not like it.
Thank you so much for information and helpful tips, Dr. Aris.
Well, thank you for having me, and I hope that this information is helpful for the audience. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found our video helpful, please like our video and don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Aris channel.